after we select all of these important things, so let's just look it up again and let's check if we missed something. Okay, ASP.NET 3.5 and ASP.NET 4.6 is important so that you can run ASP.NET applications on your IIS. Okay, so once done, let's just click OK, and then it will start the installation process, or it will also apply the changes that we selected. Okay, so the installation is done, so let's just click close. Okay, to check if our installation is successful, we just need to open our Explorer. So right now I'm going to use Edge, and then let's just type localhost. Okay, so right now you can see that Internet Information Service is running. Okay, okay, and to run our IIS manager, so we just click here, run or search inet mgr, and then we need to click here IIS manager, from where we can set up our applications or new website that we are going to deploy on our local machine. Okay, so hopefully you learned something here, and thank you very much for watching.